Kia ora guys, my name is Mateo Saldarriaga. I'm the marketing coordinator of the New Zealand School of Art and Fashion, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make this. And you might be wondering, why is Mateo trying to teach us how to build a bear from a towel? And the reason is, New Zealand is embracing the international movement, which people are placing teddy bears on the window during the lockdown to brighten the mood and give kids a game to play. We will need a towel, size and color of your preference, also 3 rubber bands and 1 tie for decoration.